Your engine is engineered to last well past 300,000 miles. Yet millions of cars are quietly destroyed every year by habits their owners never question. The damage builds for years with zero warning lights, zero drama, until the repair bill lands like a punch. Today I'm handing you 17 mechanic-approved habits that can add a decade of reliable life to your car. Let's get into it. Number 17, don't trust the manual. Most people treat the oil change interval in the owner's manual like gospel. That single belief costs engines years of life. Oil doesn't age by mileage alone. Short trips, stop-and-go traffic, towing, idling in traffic, and extreme heat or cold destroy it far faster than steady highway miles. Real-world driving contaminates oil, strips its additives, and lets metal surfaces grind against each other. Friction rises, sludge forms, and bearings, camshafts, and rings start wearing long before any light appears. Cold starts grow louder, fuel economy dips, idle gets rough, and the oil turns black weeks earlier than it should, if your driving is anything less than pure highway. Number 16, avoid lifetime fluid lie. Lifetime transmission fluid is one of the most expensive myths in the industry. That fluid does far more than lubricate. It cools, cleans, and creates the hydraulic pressure that makes every shift possible. Heat and time break down the additives. Shifts start delaying, the transmission jerks or slips, and clutch packs begin to glaze. A rebuild runs $3,000 to $6,000. Fresh fluid costs a fraction of that. If you drive in traffic, tow, climb hills, or live where summers are brutal, service the fluid every 30,000 to 50,000 miles. Skip aggressive power flushes on high-mileage units that have never been serviced. Check the fluid color and smell regularly. Number 15, quit topping off. The fuel nozzle clicks for a reason. Ignoring it is free. Replacing a ruined EVAP system is not. When you force extra fuel past the click, liquid gasoline floods the vapor lines and charcoal canister. Those parts were designed only for vapor. The liquid saturates the charcoal, breaks it into particles, and sends debris through the system. Check engine lights, hard starts after fueling, fuel smells, and rough idle follow. Most drivers blame the pump or sensors. The real culprit is topping off. Stop the second it clicks. Number 14, never drop below a quarter tank. Your fuel pump is cooled and lubricated by the gasoline surrounding it. When the level drops under a quarter tank, the pump runs hotter and harder. Teardown data shows pumps that regularly see low fuel run up to 40 degrees hotter and fail noticeably sooner. Low fuel also stirs sediment from the bottom of the tank straight into the filter and injectors. Whining from the tank, hesitation on acceleration, or longer cranking times are early warnings. Make it automatic, refill at a quarter tank, cooler pump, cleaner fuel. Number 13, don't ignore engine mounts. After 150,000 miles, what causes most unexplained vibration? Worn engine mounts. They do more than hold the engine. They isolate vibration, keep the drivetrain aligned, and stop stress from transferring into the exhaust, axles, hoses, and transmission. When they soften or tear, the engine rocks, everything connected to it suffers, and you chase symptoms instead of the cause. Steering wheel shake at idle, cabin vibration, or a clunk shifting into gear are the usual signs. Simple test: parking brake on, foot on the brake, shift from park to drive to reverse, and watch how far the engine moves. Excessive movement means the mounts are done. Replace them early for a few $100s or risk broken flex pipes, torn hoses, and transmission damage that costs thousands. These mounts give quiet warnings for a long time before they fully fail. If these habits are already changing how you think about your car. Number 12, stop warming it up wrong. Idling for 10 minutes on a cold morning is leftover advice from a different era. Modern engines warm faster and with less wear when you drive them gently than when they sit and idle. A cold engine runs rich. Long idle lets excess fuel wash oil from the cylinder walls and dilute the oil in the pan. Where increases, fuel is wasted, and the engine stays in its highest wear zone longer. Start it, wait 20 to 30 seconds for oil pressure, then drive gently. Avoid hard acceleration until the temperature gauge is normal. The engine, transmission. Number 11, never ignore coolant. Old coolant is like trying to cool a hot engine with dirty, acidic water. The corrosion inhibitors die, the fluid turns acidic, and rust forms inside the radiator, water pump, and passages. Flow drops, cooling efficiency collapses, and overheating becomes inevitable. Cloudy or rusty fluid, unexplained level drops, or white or colored residue around the radiator and hoses are the signs. Check the level and color regularly. Flush and replace every 30,000 to 50,000 miles regardless of what the manual claims. Inspect hoses and clamps at the same time. Number 10, don't cheap out on fuel. Fuel quality reaches far beyond the gas gauge. Lower-tier gasoline leaves dramatically more carbon inside modern engines, especially direct injection ones. Testing has shown engines running non-top tier fuel can accumulate nearly 20 times more deposits in just a few thousand miles. Those deposits coat injectors, valves, and combustion chambers, restrict airflow, and eventually cause misfires. Sluggish throttle response, rough idle, dropping MPG, and hesitation are the early clues. Use top-tier fuel whenever you can. Every few thousand miles, add a quality fuel system cleaner. Direct injection engines often need professional intake cleaning later in life. Number 9. Never shift while rolling. Shifting into reverse or drive before the car is fully stopped sends a shock through the gears and clutch packs. One time feels like nothing. Thousands of those impacts add up. The transmission is forced to fight the vehicle's momentum, accelerating wear. Harsh engagement, delayed shifts, or a noticeable clunk are the warnings. Come to a complete stop, pause a second, then select the gear. Never drop it into park while still moving. That 1-second habit can easily add years to the transmission's life. Number 8. Kill carbon early. Power loss is not automatic with age. Direct injection engines are especially vulnerable because fuel never washes the intake valves. Carbon builds into thick layers that restrict airflow and force the engine to work harder. Rough idle, slower acceleration, poorer fuel economy, and random misfires are classic symptoms. Quality fuel and a good cleaner help, but many direct injection engines benefit from professional intake valve cleaning every 40,000 to 60,000 miles. Restoring proper airflow often makes the engine feel brand new again. Number 7. Don't skip the parking brake. 3 extra seconds can prevent a 4-figure transmission repair. Shifting straight into park on a hill dumps the entire weight of the vehicle onto a small metal parking pole. Repeated stress wears or breaks it. The shifter feels stuck, a loud clunk happens when you leave park, or the car rolls slightly before catching. Correct routine: stop completely, keep your foot on the brake, set the parking brake, let the car settle, then shift into park. The brakes now hold the weight instead of the transmission. Number 6. Don't wait for the belt to snap. The serpentine belt powers the alternator, water pump, power steering, and more. When it fails, charging stops, cooling stops, and the engine can overheat in minutes. Squealing on startup, cracks, fraying, glazing, or chirping while driving are clear warnings. Inspect it at every oil change. Replace it at the first sign of damage or according to the manufacturer's interval. Check the tensioner and idler pulleys at the same time. A new belt fails early if those parts are worn, even with every accessory spinning perfectly. Number 5. Clean before you replace. Rough idle and slow throttle response often get blamed on failed parts. Many times the throttle body is simply dirty or has lost its learned values after a battery disconnect. Carbon builds around the plate, airflow becomes inconsistent, and idle control suffers. Clean the throttle body with proper cleaner and a soft cloth, then perform the relearn procedure for your vehicle. Some cars relearn automatically after a short drive. Others need a specific key-on, pedal press sequence. Number 4. Don't brake at the last second. 2 drivers approach the same light. One stays on the gas until the last moment and then stomps the pedal. The other lifts early, coasts, and applies steady pressure. One set of brakes lasts dramatically longer. Hard late stops generate excess heat that cooks pads and warps rotors. Drivers who brake late replace pads far sooner and rotors twice as often. Look farther ahead, lift early, and let the car slow naturally before applying smooth pressure. Less heat, longer life, and often better fuel economy. Number 3. Stop starving your engine. The fuel filter is the only thing standing between dirt, rust, and your expensive fuel pump and injectors. As it clogs, the pump works harder and fuel delivery drops. Replace the filter on the manufacturer's schedule, typically 30,000 to 50,000 miles for external units. If the filter is inside the pump module, have it inspected when drivability issues appear. A cheap filter change is far less painful than a failed pump. Number 2. Flush deadly moisture. Brake fluid absorbs moisture from the air. As water content rises, the boiling point falls and internal corrosion begins. That moisture slowly eats the ABS unit and other components from the inside. Contaminated fluid can boil under hard stops, leaving a soft pedal exactly when you need firm braking. Spongy pedal feel, reduced stopping power, or fluid that has turned dark brown are the warnings. Replace the fluid every 2 to 3 years or per the manufacturer's recommendation. Fresh fluid protects expensive components and keeps braking consistent. One final habit separates engines that run strong past high mileage from those that start misfiring and destroying coils and catalytic converters. Number 1. Don't cheap out. Saving a few dollars on bargain spark plugs is one of the fastest ways to create expensive secondary damage. Plugs fire thousands of times per minute. Weak or inconsistent spark causes incomplete combustion, misfires, wasted fuel, and excess stress on ignition coils and the catalytic converter. Use the exact OEM or equivalent iridium or platinum plugs specified for your engine and replace them on schedule. Quality plugs last longer and deliver a stronger, cleaner spark. If this list helped you protect your car, hit like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments how many miles are on your vehicle and which habit you're changing first. The next video covers proven habits that help cars reach 500,000 miles without major repairs. Practical mechanic-level advice that keeps your car lasting longer and costing less.